My family. Hello, my name is Anna. This is my family. I have a husband. His name is Sam. I am his wife. We have 2 children. Our son is David. Our daughter is Maria. My mother and father live close to us. Our children, David and Maria, love their grandmother and grandfather very much. I've had one sister. Her name is Sarah. I have one brother. His name is Tim. My children love their Aunt Sarah and Uncle Tim. Sarah has one daughter. She is my niece. Tim has one son. He is my nephew. I have many aunts and uncles. Their children are my cousins. We like to see them at family parties. I love my family.